Fort Worth, Texas, where America builds air dominance.
300,000 precision components. Zero margin for error. Mach 1.6. Stealth. 5th generation superiority.
$80 million per aircraft. Strategic deterrence.
F-35 Lightning II. Invisibility redefined.
Digital engineering. Every dimension verified before metal is cut.
Laser cutting. Micron-level accuracy.
Robotic handling. Zero defect inspection. Electron beam welding. Vacuum fusion. Forward fuselage assembly.
Laser-guided precision.
Automated fastening. Digital verification every step.
Weapons bay structure. Electromagnetic stealth.
Primary airframe complete. Stealth structure achieved.
Carbon fiber layup. Precision composite fabrication. Vacuum consolidation. Atmospheric compression. Autoclave cure. High temperature, high pressure. Quality inspection. Internal and electromagnetic verification. Water jet trimming. Cold cutting, zero distortion. Robotic installation. Vision-guided precision. Flush fastening. Stealth surface continuity.
Titanium machining. Precision landing gear fabrication.
Nitrogen oil shock absorption. 3,000 psi.
Carbon brake system. Anti-skid integration. Main gear installation. 6 attachment points. Nose gear secured. Steering system connected. Gear cycle test. Stealth doors verified.
F-135 engine. 43,000 pounds thrust.
Engine systems integration. Digital control.
Engine bay prepared. Fire suppression installed.
Engine installation. Precision alignment required.
Engine mated to airframe. Structural integration. Engine mounting. Automated torquing verified. Engine systems connected. Fuel, hydraulic, electrical. Variable exhaust nozzle. Thrust vectoring capable.
Engine bay closeout. Stealth maintained.
Diverterless inlet. Stealth airflow management. Diverterless inlet. Stealth airflow management. Internal weapons bays.
Stealth signature preserved.
Weapons rails. AMRAAM and bomb capable.
Hydraulic door actuators. Rapid deployment.
Weapons bay operational. Stealth maintained.
Side bays. Sidewinder integration.
25mm cannon. 220 round capacity.
The audio features an AI voiceover stating the following. AESA radar, 1,200 modules.
Electro-optical targeting. Infrared and laser.
Distributed aperture system. 360-degree awareness.
Mission computers. Sensor fusion processing.
Secure communications. Tactical data link.
Electronic warfare suite. Threat detection and jamming.
Helmet display. Look to target capability.
Inertial navigation. Global precision.
40 miles of wiring. Fiber optic backbone.
Electrical distribution. Solid-state control. 65 kilowatt generation. Full power verification. Liquid cooling. Thermal management.
Sensor fusion active. Systems integrated.
Panoramic display.
Full tactical integration. Fly-by-wire controls. Pressure-sensitive stick.
Ejection seat. 0-0 capability.
Stealth canopy. Electromagnetic coating.
Pilot systems. Environmental control. Heads-up display. Flight and targeting data.
Cockpit complete. Pilot interface ready.
Cockpit operational. Systems responding.
Internal fuel. 18,500 pound capacity.
Fuel management. Aerial refueling capable. Aerial refueling. Unlimited range.
Environmental control. Cockpit pressurization.
Dual hydraulic systems. 4,000 psi.
Auxiliary power unit. Independent ground power.
Fire suppression. Automatic detection. Flight surfaces. Fly-by-wire actuation.
Flush antennas. Stealth maintained.
Stealth lighting. Minimal signature.
Air data sensors. Stealth integration.
Access panels complete.
Stealth profile maintained.
Radar signature verification. Stealth validated.
Fuel system validation. Leak testing.
Electrical systems energized. Full validation.
Mission systems integrated. Tactical picture confirmed.
Fly-by-wire verified.
Communications validated. Data link operational.
Environmental systems. Pressurization verified.
Pre-start checklist. Clearance obtained.
Engine idle. All systems normal.
Systems operational. Power validated.
Radar operational. All modes verified.
Weapon systems, hot test. All systems operational. Military power. Maximum thrust verification.
Engine shut down. Run complete.
Taxiing to runway. First flight beginning.
Pre-takeoff checks complete. Cleared for takeoff.
Takeoff Lockheed. First flight airborne.
F-35 Lightning II. 5th generation air superiority. Superior maneuverability. Advanced flight controls.
Supersonic capable. Mach 1.6 maximum speed. F-35 Lightning II. 5th generation dominance. The future of air combat. This is how we build invincibility.